may be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. I've never been so close before. You were truly mine, but it was all.
Thought I'd started the day, but I realized that I got into the train without pressing record. But it's a Thursday, we are headed towards the Eiffel Tower. The weather's not very pleasant today and I'm literally not wearing anything. Yeah, so we just got off the train, we are headed towards another one. We're moving away, we're supposed to go that side. Mr. Navigator,
Let's cross over. Yeah.
So yeah, we just need to walk towards the next train and be able to get to the Eiffel Tower and take pictures. Yesterday when we got there, we couldn't really take pictures of ourselves in front of the Eiffel Tower because I think because our batteries were flat and we only have one phone now that we're using. So yeah, that's the situation. This is about right. Wait. We are having fun. I missed not having my husband's luggage. We are having fun. We are good. See you now. As you get out of the train station, see it over there. Sigile. That's not bonakala na, but I don't think bonakala. Sigile kuko bantu. Yabona ntombazana iphaya. That lady over there is making people sign, but the moment they see police, they run for their lives. They run for their lives. No. You speak English? I don't know if you can still see it. What's about in? Giant pretzel.
Yeah.
This one is in the leg if you call a This is how it looks from the bottom. That one's the M in front of the tower. This is how it looks. It looks so good.
Right hand for the cheese, right unnecessary.
It's huge. It is huge. And this is how it looks on the ground. I just want to take snippets of people. How it looks on the ground. It's made with concrete something. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, that's how it looks. We will also say we were here. You get it? You don't get it? Forget about it. I'm just gonna go and get pictures taken now. And boyfriend yam. Hey boyfriend yam. Ngathi ngesithenga izinto ku supermarket uzokwenza so wife kala babanje. While we're still sorting out some travel insurance luggage queries, I decided let me take some pictures and just show you guys one last time before we walk away. I'm not sure if we'll be back here in the evening time. I think when I walk away, as further I walk away from it, the better. I'm not sure if we'll be back here in the evening time to sort of show you the night time, like when it's late and everything, but I'm gonna try and do that. I wanted to attend to a commitment that I usually have Thursday evenings, but I don't know. I'll see how that goes. But how beautiful.
Hello. €1.
Kukhona ababathengisayo ke bakunyanzela ibathenga. And there's also people who want you to sign some, I don't know what petition, and then you need to give them like €10. Please guys, if you come here, don't do it. Don't fall for it. You just putting money down the drain. And the thing is, the reason why I'm saying that is because when these people see the police, they run away. That's when you know it's wrong. It shouldn't be happening. But yeah. Semhle. Semhle. Oh no. Let me go back to my husband. So we call. So now there are soldiers that are walking around with guns. Literally every day around this place. There's people walking around with guns. I don't know if you can see. Everyone walking around in them water tower. Hey guys, I feel I haven't spoken to you guys probably all day today since Eiffel Tower. Since the Eiffel Tower, I came back. I had to host a Wesley Guild session because I'm still part of the Wesley Guild. I'm actually like serving as an executive member in the society that I attend at. So I just decided, you know what, I have time. I can make time today, although I'm on holiday, and just host a session. It was so nostalgic. Like I hadn't hosted Wesley Guild session in such a long time, probably for the past 6 months, because I'm in a journey of joining Umanyano. But yeah, we're on holiday, not gonna talk about all those admin things. So yeah, that's what I've been doing since I got back. I think I got back like 6 o'clock ish. It's now 7:45. I'm waiting for my husband to get back. Still no luggage. The airline has confirmed that they have not found it. So he's gone out to go and get some open-toed shoes and probably a pair of jeans or a pair of chinos, because tomorrow is celebrating my birthday. It's an early celebration because I land in South Africa on my birthday. Would have been the 18th of September. I know you will see this late, but yeah, that's what's up. I just want to get water and I'm so disappointed. This place, it's good, like it's spacious, like it is spacious. I love that. Like I like the sense of security it gives and everything, but they didn't make up our bed. Second day in a row. And I actually want to go downstairs and ask them for some tissue paper for the toilet. And I also want to put these dishes in the dishwasher. Into engazuyenza kukuhlamba izitya kwam ndizohlamba izitya naseParis. I will not do that. Also, the light above my head is doing the most, and the setting on this camera is also doing the most. Also, bendimhle namhlanje, guys. It's moving. But the thing is, there's also things behind me. So bendimhle namhlanje. I was showing some skin. I tried to show some skin over here. Look, I'm well gifted on the chest area. And I've grown umkaba, so is that as well. Oh, I can actually lift this up. It shows my almost true complexion. So yeah, I'm enjoying. We're actually making the most of it and ensuring that we enjoy Paris, because we're not gonna come to Paris again. Probably will, but not anytime soon. But the unfortunate thing is that the planned outfits my husband had did not come to pass, and he had a lot of brand new clothes. I don't know if you had seen in the previous vlog when we went to, I don't know if it was the previous vlog or the vlog before, yeah, but a vlog ago we went to watch the Springboks versus New Zealand, and I bought him like an original Springbok jersey and his Atletico Madrid jerseys in there. I think I need to source one for him, like some brand new shirts, his favorite clothing items. So basically Umnyanwam does not have clothes as a stand, and we bought some t-shirts at Zara earlier. And we had bought 2 t-shirts at Zara 2 days ago and a pair of shorts, I think at H&M. But now today we couldn't get anything more because people here are petite. They are not big, they are petite. But yeah, it's fine, right? And plus it's nearing like warmer, colder season, which means they have more warm clothes. There's lashes. I feel like my lashes are stripping off, but yeah, it's fine. I actually need to brush them. So there's a lot of winter clothes, so we couldn't really get much for him. Yeah, like his size was just not available, which is quite disappointing. I hope he gets something. And then when he gets back, we're gonna head out for dinner. I'm just gonna clear out that kitchenette area and just like the bed. And I was really hoping these people were gonna be here today and just make up this bed, because wow, like it really shows why it's 2 single beds that were brought together to make a double bed. And we can feel it when we sleep. I feel like we're sleeping on 2 different beds at this point, and I don't like it. I know it's a standard procedure in hotels, but I just don't like it. But anyway, I will see you guys when I see you guys. I need to charge this baby and also need to remove some pictures to post on the gram. Eiffel Tower pictures. And I also want to do a reel. I tried to shoot a video, but it felt so awkward because there's business building across where we're staying, and Abanduan Jungil. Anyway, I've been talking for far too long, and these vlogs are going to be so long.
She knows.
It's good?
It's good?
Yes.
Because it's South Africa.
It has to be good.
It's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, Mama. You are in mood, yeah? Yes, South Africa.
Non, mais pas so good.
Go ahead. This is our dinner. We practically be having the same thing. Round steak, some salad. The salad here was that
Sounds like 8 minutes in the sense of meaning, so it's not even focused on that. You are by 5.
Morning. I think this is our full last day in Paris, if we don't count tomorrow, because you'll spend the rest of the day tomorrow at the airport. We are headed out to Arc de Triomphe. That is a triumph. We're headed out to Arc de Triomphe, and we'll probably go to the Eiffel Tower again. And what else? Are we gonna have a sit-down lunch today? Yeah, we'll probably have a sit-down lunch today. I think Mr. M dressed like a Frenchman. Hello. Vuyokazi M. Today we are color coordinating. We're wearing the same color. He's wearing a t-shirt that's the same color as my dress. I just thought I should rewear it. It smells clean. Yeah, we're leaving now. Where's my watch? Still charging. Okay, we're leaving now. I actually want to wear nice shoes so that if we take full body pictures. I don't know what I did with my other memory card. Yes, Baba. It's on. Number 9. So yeah, we're stepping out. We are leaving very late. It's like 5 to 12. I think sitting every day we wake up and fight the same battle with Discovery Insurance. Last bangle. Discover. Okay, let's get going, get Papa. I'm wearing trainers and I'll probably change into these shoes. I want to take a full body picture. Let's go. What time is our first train? And this is our lollipop from the hotel that we stayed at. A 4-star hotel that we stayed at, which was great. I loved it. I don't know if I should wear a hat. I think it kind of helped me yesterday. We are headed out. Fashionably late according to other tourists. Yeah, I'm sorry. Just in case I don't get to show you, this is the place we're staying at. Adiajo Hotel. It's like hotel apartments. But so if you want your room to be cleaned, you have to pay to be serviced. So we've been making up our own bed, cleaning our own room for the duration of the stay. I was very shocked at that stupidity, but again, we went through with it. It's a beautiful place, I mean, city and the likes, but we didn't get the best experience, unfortunately. But we had fun. Our experience was ruined by the lost luggage. Well up. Oh. And this is the train that we take right in front of our hotel. As you can see, we didn't walk long. Yeah. No, there's a lot of black light. Show my face. I'm having a sweet tea from the hotel that we stayed at when we were in Spain. I thought I was gonna have it on our way to the airport, but it was too much of an admin. There were so many trains, buses that we could take and could not take that I just lost all that concentration. But again, I'm going to it. Senefone eyi-1 ke son. Inamba sayithenga njani le phone? Ngoba kunzima. Paris sigqibele imali. Also, everything is just expensive here. Okay? Exactly. And that's all that matters. In case you are wondering how we are walking about in the streets, I'm walking in my running shoes. So is Baba, and it's the best decision we made. How is this around that? There's one. Europe. My person and I, we will walk this Europe. We are walking on what is considered the most expensive street in the world. It's Mr. Manyamalala's directive for today. So this is where we're walking. Mr. Manyamalala and I are walking on the most expensive street in the world. In Paris, of course, because where else can we be walking the street? Because I can't pronounce them. Didn't know my husband has an expensive taste. He was like, we're going to the most expensive street and we're gonna walk. So here we are walking. Hi, meeting point. Hey, Pile. Oh yeah. Can we book?
Because I was thinking I didn't want to start anything I couldn't finish.
Come on. Oh, isn't that right away? Trump. They're right off way again. I feel I would go again, yes. How did I call it? Right. Yeah? So we decided to come back here to the Eiffel Tower one last time. Actually just rushing for the bus now. And then we are headed to the hotel and then we'll come back here. One last look.
Tramway T3A et bus PC. Change here for tramway T3A and bus PC.
See, we'll take it to that. No, let's get away from the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, okay. Same thing. Happy birthday yakho Jom. Yo kuyabanda yo, imvula iyeza nyani ngoku. What is this? Oh, is it beautiful?
I just did the name because there was an issue.
Thank you. What's not
211.
Je laisse monsieur.
Oh. Ah, sihlala semva basincede thina.
No, because the people at this one place will be there. That's next.
Oh, okay.
So you can take this there.
All right.
Thank you. Okay, so just first let's hold the people, okay, and after we take the other. Okay? So just take
The QR code. You pay the QR code.
Isisitulo sakho. Andibonanga yethu bingekho nto apha. Bingekho nto apha. Kakamsondela. Bingekho apha. Xa ndothetha leya ayikho apha. I did not see it. There's nothing under it. So what then? Because ayikho nalapha ngakuthi. I think yeyimenu. That's a fun. That's a fun.
I'll take the bedroom anyway.
So good.
Yeah.
Pastry.
Well, that's more than I thought. I didn't think you'd get a choice. Merci. That's an option to drinks. Maggie, can you take it? No, this is straight up.
Literally everyone is getting the same thing.
Alright, food I'm going to have. I think so too.
Let's taste this thing. It's like a pastry situation that's happening. With some cucumber.
You can get out a glass of champagne, birthday apple.
Ngiyafuna ifoto. Asicela abahlobo bethu abaphambi kwethu basifoto.
Hello, how are you? Welcome.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Okay.
Africa.
Yeah.
Do you like to come with me to take a picture?
Maybe later. No, still.
Okay, now a few moments. Okay.
Oh, very well, time. Something was by Marilyn.
Oh, yeah, there's a third one.
Hola, Camila, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal si nos tomamos una fotico? Las fotos son a partir de 20 euros.
Pink
Es una
wine,
obligación especial.
pink wine.
Pero se nos tomó la foto.
No, by Rosé.
Le gusta se la lleva, si no,
Yeah. Certain things just seems like they don't know wine. Because everything is just white wine, red wine, and that's not where wine ends. What is it? Is it pinotage?
Doesn't matter. Wine.
It does matter.
You know, but
it's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you.
yeah, please jump behind it. Okay, see that.
You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Oh, if I control the weather, then every day it would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. What do I have to do to make you go? Baby, it's you. It's you. It's you.
For dessert, I'm having a chocolate mousse. I don't know if you can see it. I've
South Africa. These beautiful beers. These are garlic.
just came back from dinner. I'm just gonna move these here. Just came back from dinner, and my husband has decided to go get himself something to drink downstairs, and I am so underdressed. Let's see if I can put you guys here. Let's put you guys here for now in the sink. And I'm so underdressed, so I decided no, I'm not gonna do that. Let me actually take this off, and I just want to get unready with you guys. I feel like it's just it's the last day where we can sort of sum up the Paris travel. I'm removing the makeup using this Nivea Perfect and Radiant micellar water, and then also these Dove cotton rounds. I don't know where the wipes are. Might be in the last luggage, so I just don't want to look for them because I haven't seen them. Plus I haven't been wearing much makeup, so I don't know where they are. The day was great. It was actually great having to just have a casual day, not a jam-packed day, because I don't feel exhausted, and plus it's like our last full day in Paris. I think I'd come back here again. I'd probably have to learn some French. Definitely have to learn some French when I do come back. Yeah. Oh, and then on the boat ride that we've just gone on for my pre-birthday. It's just that I'm a party pooper. Like, I'm supposed to be out with my husband, but I'm back here in the hotel. But he's just... There are so many sounds in this hotel. Oh, my bed. So as I was saying, before my battery decided to die, the boat ride was actually so lovely. Like, it's great because you get to see like these attractions about Paris from a different view from just standing in front of it. And I actually got to see the Eiffel Tower well lit, like that's one thing I was like, we have to see it at night. I want to see the Eiffel Tower at night. And I'm actually at peace that I got to actually see it. And also see it light up. Like it has that glitter effect. Let me try and get my phone and show you. As I'm saying, it has that glitter effect that it does. It does it at exactly 9 o'clock. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Okay, it had already finished here. But there is some glitter. I hope you can see it. If you can't see it, okay, I don't know. There is that glitter, so I'm like very happy that we're able to experience that. My husband just stayed inside because it was just like, yeah, banda. And plus he's not a picture guy. I mean, if you've been following with my vlogs, you'd know that that he's not a picture person. So yeah, he remained inside, and then I asked someone who was outside with me to sort of take a picture of me standing outside. But because she was quite impressed with the pictures I took of her. I think she just captured, and I made sure that like I was showing her skin as I was taking the pictures. But yeah guys, not everyone will take pictures the way that we want pictures to be taken of us. So ek verstaan. Also, I feel like I need to get matched again for foundation, because this foundation is not foundationing anymore. I just want to remove all the excess before start removing on the eyebrow area. I'm gonna wash my face now actually. After this chat, I'm gonna wash my face. Oh, so Paris was lovely. Tomorrow we leave. Tomorrow is Saturday, the 17th of September. My eldest brother's birthday. I feel like September has a birthday for everyone. Okay, it was no one's birthday today. Tomorrow is my eldest brother's birthday. And then 18th, when we land in South Africa, is my birthday. So I'll be on a flight on the I'll be on a flight, so it's actually fine that I can show you this, because I mean I'd already left here the flight. So I'll be on this flight. My flight leaves at 5 to 11, 25 past 10. Oh, I actually have not worn much makeup since these lashes. Also, how does one wash the face with lashes on? Yo, I so struggle, man. I so struggle. I struggle, Shem. I don't know how to do it. Because I feel like every time there's some lash that's just come off. It's admin. I like them, but I don't like the admin. So yeah, Paris has been great. Loved it. So thankful that I don't know if I said this earlier, but I'm actually living my wildest dreams, because I thought when I start working I'll travel every year. There's no year that will go by without traveling. I probably have been working now since I've actually been working since I left high school, but like proper work, I think a good 6 years. Yeah, I think it's been a good 6 years of work. And like what I thought was going to happen is only happening now. Wild. Life is wild. What I thought was gonna happen then, like I thought I was gonna travel every year. Life is lifing with sorting. Life is lifing. I'm gonna shower now. I decided to come back to Louvre. See over there, zoom in to cut people's heads. Oh, the sun is gone today, but the last time we were here our batteries were dying, so couldn't really capture much of the area. So this was like the Royal Palace area, I think, if I got my knowledge correct. Yeah, really fought and I'm saying up. But it is so beautiful to actually look at this. I think it's worth coming back to Yeah. But we're just not going into any of the museums. We did not do that. We just decided not to. And I think I'm fine with that. Actually, I don't think I am fine with that. We'll walk over to that side. Over there, you see that entrance situation there. We'll walk towards that side and then just show you the view from the side. Because I'm not sure if I caught it the other day when we were here. It's quite beautiful to see actually. Let me actually show face because I didn't show face today. Oh, and also, I'm trying to just it's our last day in Paris. It's our last day in Paris. It's been great. We had a great time. We enjoyed it. I think I'm gonna take a picture with Mr. M. I'm just gonna set up a tripod somewhere and just face the phone camera down and then support him and walk because people taking pictures. Oh, now you can see me. I'm traveling with both my handbag with my MacBook, our passports, and my camera bag today. I'm not risking it at all. Having our last lunch in Paris. We're sitting at some restaurant. It's I can't pronounce it. Constantinople. Go back. Okay.
I love you.
It comes with a gallop of chips. I think they're also trying to modernize towards being sold here as opposed to South Africa where ayikho yonke loo nto. Start out right. So pretty. So pretty. It's the Citron car. I thought I had recorded it, but I didn't. I can't try and get it over here as a bus. What are the options? White, it's white. Okay, it's fine. I'll have white wine. No, I'll have sparkling wine. I'll have the sparkling wine. Good there. This is also like a sparkling wine because it's been there. Pre-birthday food. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. lakho bayayifuna. Sitya okwesibini ke sana. Yho. Hey guys, I just realized that I haven't held the camera since we came back from vacation. I'm showing my face here. This is future Vuyo post vacation to say thank you very much for watching this vlog. I am closing this vlog here because I'm realizing that I did not close my vlog. I thought I was gonna remove some video footage off this memory card and then close the vlog, but I forgot to do that when I landed. Well, I landed to load shedding, so it's nothing new in South Africa. So thank you very much for watching this video thus far. Please do give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below. Like, even if you comment and suggest a destination that we should go to, please do that. I'd highly appreciate it. Yeah, and share the video, share this one, share the Barcelona one, share all the vlogs that are coming up. Yeah, I'm hoping I'll be consistent as I'm editing these vlogs. Yeah, and then I'll see you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. I just realized that I need to start a vlog, so bye for now.